My dishwasher is making lots of noise when pumping water, so in this video I'm attempting to fix this by cleaning the filters. The filter is located at the lowest point inside the dishwasher. First, remove the two plastic nuts underneath the lower spray arm. Then twist and lift up the filter. Finally, remove the crest-shaped drain screen. I want to halt the video right here because this is all you need to do if you attempt to clean your dishwasher filters. Take them out, clean them and put them back in place. Done. Seriously. Now this won't solve your noise issue. In the rest of the video I'm going to show you how to remove another part that looked like an additional filter to me, which caused me some trouble. This is the part I'm talking about. In my case it was all greasy and grimy and it looked as it would need good cleaning. 2 screws and you can pull it out. In this angle you can see that there's an electrical connector and the female counterpart is way down where I pulled out the mysterious filter-like object. And I can't get to it. So my only chance is to open up the bottom panel and try to either push up or extend the harness of the connector. As a matter of fact, I had to do both. But to be safe when messing with harnesses, please make sure to disconnect your appliance from power. As it turns out, my harness was actually long enough to reconnect from above, but it was badly twisted, most likely during my initial attempts to unscrew it from its base rather than taking the screws out. Once the harness is strung out, it is relatively straightforward to reconnect the whole thing. Oh, by the way, the filter-like object I'm dealing with is a flood switch. A flood switch controls the amount of water that enters the dishwasher. It also ensures that the water temperature is suitable. If the flood switch is broken, it can cause water to not enter the dishwasher or overflow and leak on the floor. So here we are basically where we left off if I would have only cleaned the screens and not messed with the flood switch. But won't you agree that the flood switch looked like a filter which is in desperate need of cleaning? Anyways, put everything back together, turn on the power and give it a go. Well, the good news is that I didn't break the dishwasher. The bad news is that it didn't fix the noise issue. The next step from here will be to replace the water pump. I still hope that this video was helpful to you and that you give it a thumbs up.